Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to see which of your subscribers have the biggest following on YouTube? It's an easy process and I'm here to guide you through it. So first of all, open YouTube Studio. Start by logging into your YouTube account and heading over to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Now navigate to the subscribers section. Once in YouTube Studio, look on the left-hand side for the Analytics tab. Click on it and then select the subscribers option. Here you'll be able to see the list of subscribers who have recently subscribed to your channel. Filter by subscribers with larger followings. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't show a direct way to filter subscribers by the size of their own following, but you can see the top subscribers with the most followers in the recent subscribers section, which often highlights the more notable accounts. Now manually check their channels. For more details, you can click on individual subscribers' profiles to check their subscriber count. This will give you an idea of how influential they are in the YouTube community. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.